land, how still we seem lie above thy deep and dreamless sleep. The silent stars go by, yet in thy dark street shine the everlasting light. The hopes and fears of older years are met in thee tonight. How silently the wondrous gift is given. So God imparts the human heart the blessings of His heaven. No ear may hear His calling, but in this world of sin, where His soul will receive Him still, and peace to men on earth. Oh, little child of Bethlehem, how still we sleep lie above thy deep and dreamless sleep, the silent